Transferring photos and videos from your iPhone to PC is always hectic, but Windows 10 and 11 have inbuilt app that can save your day. To initiate media transfer, you have to connect your iPhone to PC using lightning cable. You might have a USB-C type lightning cable or A type lightning cable. However, if you have type C lightning cable and your PC doesn't support it, then you can get this kind of converter which will convert type C to type A. This is a cheaper alternative to type A lightning cable, and if you want to get it, the link is given in video description. Now connect the appropriate end to your PC and then connect your iPhone using lightning cable. Now you will get a notification, then tap allow. Allow this device to access your photos and videos. Now go to your PC and open File Explorer, this PC, and you will see Apple's iPhone. Double click to open it. From here you can browse through your photos and videos, but you won't be able to copy the exact photos or videos you are looking for. Now go to Windows Search and search for Photos and open the Photos app. It is available on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. On the left hand side you will find external devices and your iPhone. Just click on Apple iPhone and it will find all the photos and videos on your iPhone. Also, it will find all the hidden photos and videos from your iPhone and show you on the screen. So just don't do it in front of your parents. And it may take some time depending on the number of photos and videos in your iPhone. Once done, you can easily select the photos and videos you want to transfer. Just tick on these little boxes and then click on Add Items. By default, all the photos and videos will go inside OneDrive and Pictures folder, but you can change it to Pictures folder on your PC or create a new folder as you want. Once done, simply click on Import and it will take some time depending on the number of selected media. And you can browse all your photos and videos on the selected folder. So this is how you can transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to PC without using any third-party software. One more thing you should know, that if you don't see your 4K Ultra HD videos in the Photos app, that means your PC does not support playing 4K videos at higher FPS. In this case, you just have to install the appropriate extension on your PC. Open the Microsoft Store app and search for HEVC video extension and install the app. Once done, you would be able to play 4K videos at higher FPS if your PC supports it. And then you will be able to find all the 4K videos in the Photos app and easily transfer from your iPhone to PC. And that's all for this video guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notified about new videos, and I will see you in my next one.